Yoshimura made it. It's a Paito direction.
Sir, Superintendent Thomas, welcome. I hope you prepare for an unfriendly luncheon.
Yeah.
Oh, you guts! My burgers is ruined! But what if I wrote this fast food it disguises my own cooking? Deliver the dollar, Seymour! Da-da-da! Superintendent without the restrictions! Superintendent without the restrictions! Superintendent without the money! Superintendent, I was just showing my cans on the window, so I smelled your child rice. Can you join me?
Why is there smoke around me, Seymour?
No, that is the smoke. It's steam. Steam from the hams already. From the roast. Steamed clams. Superintendent, already from what Molly hams?
I thought they were having steamed clams.
No, I said hams. That's what I call roast.
You called the roast of the hams?
Yes, it's original dialect.
In what region?
I stepped New York.
Really? What happened to you could nobody touch your hams?
Oh, not a Yucatan. No, it's absolute expressions.
Oh, I see. You also have the recipe for a hamburger.
No, Patrick Skinner roasted free Sam's. Old family recipe.
4 hams.
Yes.
Yes, you call the ham despite the fact that they obviously go.
Yeah. You know, but one thing I should... Excuse me for 1 second.
Okay.
Oh, it's wonderful. Good times of my own. I pooped.
Yes, I should be. Good Lord, what is happening there?
Aurora Borealis?
Aurora Borealis. At this time of year, this time of day, in this part of the country, localized tornado eater kitchen.
Yes?
May I see it?
No. Seymour! The house is on fire! No, Marius, just on your lights.
No, Seymour, you're outstanding, but I must say, you keep a good hand.
Help! Help!